I've been dancing bachata for 3 years and I absolutely sucked. I did everything you were supposed to do. Go to classes, listen to music, dance at socials, but I still wasn't getting it because no one taught me what to actually learn. Every class I took was about memorizing combos. But is my technique even correct? Do I have strong foundation? And why did no one teach me musicality or connection? After 3 years of still not feeling confident, I wanted to give up, but I decided to give bachata one last chance. So I quit my job, spent over $25,000, traveled across 4 countries, and trained with world-class instructors. And I finally felt confident dancing with anyone, anywhere, anytime. This bachata sabbatical changed my life, but no one should have to spend that much money and time to get good. And that's why I built Bachata Library, a complete step-by-step system, 14 modules, 100 tutorials, private community, personalized feedback, taught by me and some of the best instructors in the world. Everything I wish I had 6 years ago. Now it's your turn. For a fraction of what you spend on private lessons, you can get access to our entire Bachata Library program and community. So click below to get started now.